Up first this evening, the Health Ministry has withdrawn a particular brand of COVID-19 test kits imported to Jamaica. This comes after the government received an alert from the World Health Organization (WHO) raising concern about the product. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton addressed the matter in Parliament this afternoon.
October 13, the Health Ministry said the WHO surveillance system for substandard and falsified products alerted it to the potential presence of unregulated COVID test kits in the island. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the kits in question were manufactured in India and were being sold at a price much lower than the average for this type of product. The Pan American Health Organization (PAHO) requested that the ministry launch an investigation.
The ministry complied with the request, and it has identified that the SD Biosensor Standard Q COVID-19 antigen test kits manufactured in India was in fact present on the island and was being used in the marketplace. The importer of the Indian manufactured product was contacted on October 13th, 2021, and instructed to quarantine the product and to provide the ministry with samples of the products warehoused, which was delivered to the ministry on October 14th.
Dr. Tufton says the kits are now being assessed to see just how reliable they are in detecting COVID. The ministry should receive the results from that assessment later this month. The specific test kits had been given emergency approval by the WHO. So what's the problem?
The site that was approved, however, was the South Korean site, which is the original creator of this particular kit. Subsequent to that, that very same kit, or the kit bearing the same name, was outsourced to be manufactured in India. And the Indian manufacturing process was not approved by the WHO. And an importer brought in those kits from India.
But concerns from the opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Maurice Guy.
And if you look at the WHO site, it says that these have been assessed and were found not suitable. That is on the WHO website. So, Madam Speaker, I do not know what to accept basically in terms of what we are getting as an answer for this dereliction of duty on the part of those at the Ministry of Health and Wellness who are there to protect the interests of this country.
This particular test kit, Madam Speaker, has been withdrawn from the market, and we will do the validation exercise to determine what the status of accuracy and effectiveness is, and we will not consider the kit being available unless the situation changes with the WHO's recommendation.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.